Hi pile 1 if you have selected the first image from your screen, or if you have selected it by your date of birth, then this message is for you. Pile 1. First thing first, I see good things coming up for you from your Akashic records. It's surprisingly, it's like you are healing from the past. You just done your healing, or you are in the process of healing, and the universe wants to reward you. And it's in the form of abundance, unlimited success. Maybe you have done a major karmic clearance, which you don't even realize that you have done. You had some unfortunate events of late, or you had some delays, you were facing some kind of roadblocks, blockages, but universe is removing all of this from your life. The divine was testing your patience. You could have prominent Saturn placements in your chart. You could be an Aquarius, you could be a Capricorn, you could your you could be ruled by the Saturn, okay? Or this current dasha mahadasha of yours could be with regards to Saturn placement, and since Saturn is in retrograde anyway, it was testing you and you have passed out with flying colors. And let me tell you, every challenges that you faced was only the way for you to learn and grow. You will realize that yes, this happened, but I also gained a lot of things through this. I learned the knowledge to work on this particular project, on my relationship, the way I am. I learned what is my shadow aspect, what was really pulling me back from having the full potential of my life, right? So I also see that certain unfortunate events, or maybe not so good events, led you to new people, a new perspective. And since this shift has happened in you, you are now able to see things from a new perspective. You are able to meet new people. You are taking, it's like, yeah, it's the same me, but a new me. Like, yes, I am this person who I'm still this person, but there's something that has shifted. The way I looked at people, the way I worked with people, the way I talked to people, the way I collaborated with people. And you're really finding new opportunities and supportive people around you. You will see your business is growing since you have changed this perspective. You have the people, the friendships that are entering your life are going to help you grow. They are also let you understand that this is going to be such a kind of collaboration which is going to connect you with your life purpose also. There are a lot of books that you might reach out to and read. You might get your answers through Akashic records reading as well. You might come across a book which have just fallen off your head, or you're just constantly seeing this on your Instagram reel, that this particular subject, this particular book is something that I need to read or sign up for this course. Okay, so trust your feelings, pile one, and your dreams as well, because your dreams are letting you to success towards your career path. Okay, and also in your personal life, because I do see a lot of you may start fresh, or you have someone new coming into your life, you have a soulmate coming into your life. This could also mean that if you are already separated for a very long time, someone wants, and this should be real, okay? This could be a soulmate connection, a soul connection which wasn't toxic, but it didn't work out in the first place because you both were scared. You both weren't ready. Okay? You both have fought your inner demons. You both have tamed the beast inside you, and now learn to be friendly, happy, joyful. Okay, you could be yin and yang here. Literally, I could see the sun and moon. If you're seeing these signs, sun and moon, apples, infinity sign, 555, then I really feel that you might just meet your match very soon. There's a union coming up for a lot of you people. There's a new person altogether for singles, and someone who you really loved but let him or her go because they had their own demons. It was a fallout because, not because of you or them, it just didn't, the timing wasn't right for the both of you at that point of time. But now this was a fresh connection, but just didn't got its faith to actually work out. But now the value have increased of this connection. Also, this connection has led you to a spiritual awakening. A lot of spiritual developments have happened between you, and amongst you, within you, individually as well as collectively, as you got into a soul contract with this person. The moment you saw them or met them was the soul contract, was when the soul contract was activated, and now you could see that this person is finally coming back towards you, circling back, because this person is getting lots of dreams about you, downloads about you, nudge from their ancestors. They are getting glimpse of the past life. They are getting messages. They were a very materialistic person earlier, but now they are able to see all of this downloads, and it's so overwhelming for them. They thought that you have done something because of you. They are seeing all of this, but it's not you, it's the universe. Because even though you both are poles apart, not talking to each other, completely silent, this person could feel your energy. I'm also getting a wish fulfillment card for you here, which tells me that your biggest wishes are going to come true very soon. Now, if you ask me when, I do see that right from the time you're watching this video, from 5 days from now, 5 weeks from now, or even within 5 months. Okay, and you will, I do see a lot of 555, so a lot of changes are happening, but these endings are also bringing new beginnings for you. Okay, there's an end of separation as well. Because this is a reunion with a past life lover, or a past life connection that did not work out in the first place. This person will heal your inner child. They have mutual love for you. This person could be somebody who you may have met in school, college, or you have met during a workplace, or even somewhere you both work together, play together, have fun together, but this person is really happy to have you and you are happy to have them. They may get you gifts. Okay, their love language could be gifting. You are also playing safe, and you could also mirror them and give them back. There's a lot of give and take, equal exchange. So there was lack of exchange, lack of equality in the past, but now this person and you both are on the same page. This person is ready to give you, they are ready to please you, they want to give their love towards you, and they're going to get you gifts in the form, like literally, or in the way of the way they show their love towards you. Okay, I also feel that you need to work your life purpose also. From the Akashic records, is what I'm seeing is helping, teaching, and healing children in some way. Not only children, but animals as well. Okay, this Lions Gate portal is going to be very important for you. Please do some kind of donations, help children, have fun, sing, dance, teach. This is and help people in some shape or format, so that you know that you're on the right path, as well as angels will nudge you if this is your calling. I also feel that you could have very progressive thinking from now on. You will broaden your way of thinking because of this. Because if you were very limited in your way of doing things, you will start doing unusual, unconventional jobs, creative work. Think out of the box, think out of the character, and also start reacting in the same way. Okay, very original ideas may come to you, very progressive ideas may come towards you. You might think certain things, you might come up with ideas in your career, in your business, that someone would only think 5 years down the line. So you're having this visionary aspect, which is beautiful. Okay, you might have a fated meet up with somebody who can actually change the game for you. This could be a business partnership, this could be a job interview, or this could be like really meeting a person, a new person altogether. It could be a date which actually turned out to be successful. Okay, and you're just not walking away from each other or deleting numbers, but this date could actually lead to something. Now I do feel that you behave the way how people behave with you in the past, but now you're changing, you're balancing it. You are mirroring people, but in the right ways. You're actually helping people who are helping you. You're making friends with people who are in the game for you, who are actually loving towards you, and your consciousness is increasing. You're doing some kind of mantra chantings, your crown chakra is getting activated. You might be listening to Buddha meditations, or doing a Lama Fera healing, or you could be balancing your chakras. But all of whatever you are doing, whatever healing work are you doing, reading books, exploring your knowledge, that is all working out for you in your favor. I'm so happy with your reading because there's so many good things, and I know this there is a reason why I was getting this download today. I do feel that the oracle is saying that it was all written. Your ancestors were working in the background for you, making sure that you receive all of this good karmas of the work that you have done. Some of you have even accessed your akashic records, or are being advised to access your personal akashic record, because there's something more that needs to come out, but this is going to be very different for everybody. So yeah, just take it as it resonates. If you feel the calling, if you've been getting the glimpse or the nudge to listen about your akashic, or have questions about your past, your present, or your future, or your relationships, then you certainly should get one done. Your life lessons have led you to heal, to progress in your life. And Akashic Records is also confirming that from now on, the things won't be the same for you. You have learned to relax and let go. Okay, you have learned to get to know people and actually be there, be in the present form. You're completely in the zone. There are a lot of union signs here, okay, not only in terms of like in terms of love or relationship, but meeting people who are just like you, meeting your soul tribe and community, talking to them about sun, moon, and stars. Like this could be a meet and greet as well. And you are looking forward for such kind of meetings. Earlier you used to walk away from people, you were like, oh my god, just give me some space, I'm allergic to people. Like you would literally wear that kind of t-shirt, you would be this person. But now you are ready. It's not because you dislike people, it's like you've always been on guard. You were protecting your heart, and it's okay. We all, it's a trauma response, but you've realized it's a trauma response. It's all good to protect your heart and keep your emotions on guard to avoid hurt, but it is also very important that you let people love you. If you don't let people love you, if you want love, you're manifesting love, you want a happy relationship, but the moment somebody comes, you just be like, back off, dude. Like, carry this guard. And I'm like, I want to carry this armor because I am not ready for this. I'm running away from this. So now you're dropping that guard, which is a good thing. You are wise. You are somebody who is protecting your heart. You know who is there for you. You know who is going to be good to you, and you know who is not worth your time. Yeah. So, like, whenever we just go out in the market and, we choose fruits, you don't pick up the rotten ones, right? You pick up the fresh ones. So, you're making a deliberate choice here. You're talking to people, but you're talking to nice people. And even if you turn out, and even if there are some people who are not so good for you, you'll just walk away. You'll leave that people. You just let go. Okay? So, which is very good. This is a very balanced way of living. This is like, I'm not scared of living my life just because somebody did that to me in 2009. I will still behave the same with all the new people who come to my life in 2025. Okay? No, you're changing, because we are changing. We all are changing. And the collective is changing. And that's the reason why these messages were extremely important for you to come out and, you to know. I also feel that you just increase your knowledge is expanding in a lot of ways. Spiritually, you're reading books, or you're learning, you're signing up a course. If you are thinking about signing up a course, then please go for it. Okay, it's not the time to be slow anymore. Things won't be slow for you anymore. In fact, after the 8 portal, you will see, oh my god, you are on fire. Everything is coming for you: money, success, abundance. You will start seeing your relationship is getting aligned. You are healed somewhere. So yeah, you are a perfect example of balance, pile one. And I love this about you. On that note, I will just end this reading. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can certainly reach out to me. Comment and let me know, what did you like, what did you dislike, what are the topics that you would love to know more about. Okay. Until next time, please take care of yourself. Bye. Hi Pile 2. So here is the messages from your Akashic records. So if you have chosen this image or if you have chosen this reading through your date of birth, then the message is very clear. For both the piles, I am seeing new beginnings, new perspective, as well as letting go the worries. So even in this pile, it could be very similar to the first pile, but I'm telling you, both the piles are getting unions. And of course, not everybody would get union, but there is a union of a new person entering your life altogether. Okay, union with your inner masculine and feminine energies. This balance is getting you union on the outside as well. This 8-8 portal is going to be extremely significant for you if you are looking out for a love relationship, if there were unspoken tensions lurking behind, competition, somebody was giving you a cold shoulder, now you don't care. So you are in this free stage of mind where you don't worry about things anymore. And if you are worrying, you're still worrying, then you need to know that I am learning that worry doesn't change my outcome. So you are realizing that in order to build a solid foundation for myself for the future that I want, I don't want to manifest a life where I am the one who's always chasing, craving, lacking. I would rather build a life that is enriched, that is full of abundance, that is full of love. And that begins with me first. I do feel that you're building a foundation for yourself. You might be starting things from scratch. You're working on your health, you're working on your looks, you're making daily notes on your daily life and practical details about your life. You're cutting off the losses and you're working on the new beginnings. And I do feel that there is no space and room into your life or for people who are giving you cold shoulder. You're not doing half-ass jobs, half-ass relationships anymore. If this person comes right by you, well and good. If he doesn't comes by, then you have a new soulmate coming into your life. This person is going to be extremely friendly and they will speak your heart's language. They will have your love language. They will be extremely romantic. Maybe you're exploring many options right now and love is not even on your mind, but the moment you let go, you have 7 more offers coming into your life. Okay, and along with this person, I also feel that some of you are going to let go your marriages. And maybe the marriage was getting too toxic. It was creating too much of drama, tension, a lot of people involving into your marriage, or there was a third party interference, could be whatever be the reasons, but this marriage has to go because the karmic contract is over with this person. And you have, once it gets over, you have more options into your life and you will realize that why I was settling for less when I had so much more potential. Okay, and for the others of you, there was a negative karma with regards to your marriage that you are letting go. And once you've found the right key to your marriage, you are able to set up a foundation for your family. You have let go, you have done some kind of negativity removal, you have done some karmic cleansing, you've paid off your karmic debts in some way, you have done donations, you have helped people, and now you're building a foundation into your life where you are enjoying the fruits of the good work you have done. Maybe some of you are going to buy a new home, move into a bigger and better home. Your mother is really happy with you, your sisters are happy with you, your rest of the family members are enjoying with you. Okay, someone is also going to get married very soon in your family, or even this could be you. There is some kind of negativity, poisonous things, or black magic, or curse, or hexes that was on you while too, which is being removed. I don't know how. You did something, or you took help of a healer, you had done a ritual yourself, but or it just could be a karmic debt that is over now. It was a phase of your life. You had to go through that. Okay. You could be a Sagittarius, you could be a Gemini, or somewhere strong in your big three, which is sun, moon, or rising. The judgment call has been made, and it says that whatever challenges and I have faced, if I fell sick, if I met an accident, if I lost someone, then it was a judgment call being made. I had to let go. I had to learn from that situation. You sat with yourself, you deeply contemplated, and you realized that everything happened for a reason, and that if there was a lesson attached to that particular situation, I learned it, and now I'm growing, I'm evolving with a positive movement forward, because change is coming. The wheel of fortune has changed in my favor finally, because I let go this worry. I let go the past. I have put the rip button on the past, and now it's not for me to look back and think about it, because now I'm building my life moment to moment. I'm balancing my life well. I am abundant. I am abundance. And that is the reason why I'm attracting so much of wealth and happiness and good health in my life, vitality in my life. I'm able to enjoy things in my life with my in my relationships. And I do see that for some of you, or maybe a lot of you, you could already be writers, or you could be in a writing profession. You love writing poems, or you're an author of a book, or you're just a content creator, okay? But your life purpose involves you to heal, to inspire, to teach, to entertain people with your words and what you write. It could be also about akashic writing, okay? So maybe you should reach out to an akashic record reader to write, to find out your life purpose. But one of these could be your life purpose, or you should definitely teach someone, you inspire someone, or you are healing someone through your writing work. So do not stop what you're doing, and if you're not doing, then this is your time to start. Okay, walk away from the situation. Certain situations don't require you to waste your time, think about it. It's better to just walk away and move away from it, for the resolution to really come by. Sometimes when you are in the situation, you're constantly fighting. I want the situation to be resolved right now, but no, the time is not right. You have to let go the situation, and then you realize, because then you deeply sit with yourself, meditate over the situation, or have the time to really think about both the parties, and then you get your answer, and then the real resolution comes by. Okay, I do feel that someone is really intrigued by you, with the changes that has happened to your personality, with the change, with the way you have grown over the time. It's beautiful, and it's just not about, you are also making yourself surprised by the changes that you have made into your life by making the right choices. Okay, and they know that now you know things better. So you also know that you know things better now. You were just in the dark earlier. You thought that this is how life is, this is how people are, I should also behave the same way, because people are malicious, then I should also, act the same way. But now you healed that aspect of yours, and that the judgment call was, I am not behaving the same way how this person is behaving. I'm going to be a better person. You chose to be a better person. And that's how you are attracting all of the good things in your life. You cut your losses. You've passed Saturn's karma test, in some way. And I also feel that your ancestors have really helped you. A few of you need to do some kind of ancestral ritual, or your ancestors are really guiding you. They are also your spirit guides. Some of them are walking the path with you, because they want you to break the pattern, break the toxic cycle from your family. And you know this well. The toxic cycle from your family could be with regards to your money, with regards to your father's perspective towards your finances, okay, or any of the parents. But mostly it feels like your father's perspective towards finances, towards people, towards women, and you are changing all of this. You are behaving better. You are like, I am not my father, I am not my mother. I'm going to be a better person. And with all due respect to our parents, we need to know that sometimes we are a better version of our parents. And for all you know, tomorrow your kids, if you have one, will be the better version of you. And the change begins with you. Okay? Pay attention to your health. You are grinding very well, okay, but you also need to take care of your health, your heart. You have to take care that you are not exhausting yourself by being there for everybody else, by overworking, because everything should be balanced. Okay, I do feel that if you are single, then there is an opportunity coming your way. Someone romantic, you might meet someone romantic very soon, within 12 days or 12 weeks. They are wearing their heart on sleeves for you. They want to talk to you, have a pleasant time with you, express their feelings towards you. This person could be a little slow. It might come even in a month or two time, but you will be intrigued by this person. You will want to know them more. This person, you would look at them and you would see your future. That can be a possibility. Okay, so there's a hell lot of potential that I can see here, but you are guarding your heart, which is fair, but make sure that you are not guarding it so much that you don't give out love to this person and they may feel rejected. Okay, you need to heal before you get into a relationship with anybody. You also need to, you are healing aspects of money. There was some kind of money blockages into your life, like you couldn't save money, or you always hoarded money, you were a miser. There's something about you and money that didn't fit well or sit well, and now I see that you are open about money, you are ready to give and take, and that's how you broke that pattern. There could be a financial karma with regards to money aspect in your family bloodline. Maybe you need to do an akashic record reading with regards to that. That will be a completely personal reading, so you can connect with me on that. However, you seem to be breaking that pattern. You realize the pattern, and soon, within 4 months, I see this healing. If you're not already healed, if you've not recognized the pattern, then recognize the pattern and then work on it. You are also working on your body, you're taking care of health. You know this, your body is healthy, you need help, you're respecting your body in a way where you're not indulging in casual relationships, being in casual flings, being in a relationship that just give you pleasure for the heck of it, but you're looking for a soul union. You're looking for a partner who is who does soul talk with me. Okay, because I know I can get healthy eggs everywhere, but I know I can get X everywhere, but I don't want that. I want real love, along with, of course, a healthy physical intimacy, and that's beautiful, because earlier maybe you thought that if I give out myself that easily, I would get love, but it's it never works that way. It never works that way, my friend. You have to really build on relationship, and then you can get the if you are a commitment person, then surely you will never, I can bet you that you will never get love through physical intimacy very quickly. Trust me on that. Okay, but if you really work on your relationship, you get to know the person well. You understand their love language, you really touch their heart. That's how you actually build your relationship. And then, well, sex becomes just easier, and it works very smoothly because it feels real, it feels divine. Okay. Yes, and I also feel that you are birthing a new project. A lot of you could be getting into a new project. It's those who are already married and looking to conceive. You might be growing or expanding your family. Okay, and for others of you, this could be starting a new business, starting a new creative endeavor, starting a new way of doing things. Okay, because that's also important, because there is a lot of newness into your energy. You're not the same person anymore. You are actually operating from a way where you are doing the same thing, you know uh, in a new fashion altogether, in a new fashion. Maybe like today I did this reading by only choosing the images. I'm not showing my hand or my face today while doing this video, because I really wanted you to connect with the image, and I wanted to connect with your reading, with everything, with your spread here, and completely listen to the spirits as to what really is coming out, because there is a strong message for all of you, right? So this is my new way of fashion of doing things for you. Maybe you will find your new very soon, and that's the beauty of it. New doesn't always have to be bad. Okay, it can sometimes be very good. And we are all scared of change, but we need to know that change is inevitable, and change is the only way how you grow and learn in life. All right. And you will also find yourself wearing new clothes, buying new clothes, doing things in a way where you are fascinated about the newness. Now you're not scared of it anymore. You're like, okay, let's manifest new. Okay, that's your reading, Palto. I think this is a very beautiful reading, and I think there is a lot of new things going to happen in your life very soon. Comment and let me know what do you feel about this reading. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp or Instagram, and follow me on my Instagram channel. You can follow on my WhatsApp community channel. I daily post about exclusive content out there on guidance offers, healings, so let's connect. And yeah, please take care of yourself, and all the best for all the new good things coming your way. Good luck. Take care. Bye.